Hello everyone, by the way, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is, if you find some hardship on, problem with your PayPal account that you from your seller or your from client they sent you some money and it didn't go well. What you need to do is go to your PayPal and of course go to the activity. And as you can see here, guys, you can select a transaction that you have, and you can actually put some, as you can see here, we have your report a problem. You can click that one and report problem, and it will take you to a resolution center, and you have to address what problem that what your situation right now. And if you want some refund, guys, the people will accept your reason if it is reasonable. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.